Hello, here I'll show you how you can easily and automatically export your Shopify products to eBay. Our app, eBay Sync by Lions, automatically recognizes when new products are created in Shopify and takes care of the export to eBay for you. Simply go to the product export area in our app. Select all products here, or filter out certain product groups that you want to export to eBay. Like here, for example, a specific Shopify collection. As the filtered products are displayed on several pages, it is important that you select all products on all pages. Then click on the Export Products to eBay button as usual. The pop-up with the export settings to eBay will now open. This time, however, the option of automated exports to eBay will be displayed. Activate the checkbox here so that our app checks several times a day whether new Shopify products have been created by you under the applied filters. If new products are found, we automatically export them as long as the feature is enabled. You can also recognize that the feature is activated for you by the icon of the export button. As with all normal exports to eBay, you can now define individual export settings such as the eBay product category or many other setting options. To start and activate the automated export, simply click on the green button at the bottom right. The products are then exported to eBay in the background. In addition, you can check the current export status of your automated exports at any time above the products in the Automated Exports menu. All set filters and settings for automated exports and the most recently exported products are displayed here. You can also delete and thus deactivate the automated export here at any time. And that's how easy it is to store and control automated product exports to eBay in our app. Download now our Shopify app, eBay Sync by Lions, in the Shopify App Store. If you have any further questions, our support is always there for you.